Continue with the Unit 1 review. This is number 21. So I'm going to go ahead and add 7 to both sides. Okay, add 7 to both sides. And so that's going to be 19x minus y divided by -1. Being careful here that I'm going to flip my inequality sign. So that's y. So I'm going to graph this. Okay, this is an open circle, and it tells me the y's are bigger. Okay, the y's are bigger. Number 22, I got to clear the fraction. Okay, I got to clear the fraction. So first thing I'm going to do is look for the least common denominator. So my denominators are 5, 10, and 5. This one's over 1. Okay. So these are least common denominators, like least common multiples, so they get bigger. It's kind of a weird idea. So here's the two numbers that I have. And so if I were to do multiples of those, I want to find the one that is the least common, which means the same but the smallest, and you can see it's 10. So once I do find that, that's what I multiply both sides by. Okay. Now I got to use my distributive property here and realize these are over 1. Okay, so I got to use my distributive property here. So this is going to be 30k over 5 minus 10 over 10k equals, now over here, right, this is 10 over 5k. Now I still, even though there's not a fraction to reduce here, I still need to multiply this over. That's just going to be a 10. Now if I multiply by a multiple, or at least common denominator, everything is going to reduce. So this is 6k minus k, because 10 minus 10 is 1, equals 2k plus 10. Over here I'll combine like terms, so that's 5k equals 2k plus 10. I'll subtract 2k to both sides, and 3k equals 10 divided by 3, k equals 10 over 3. Number 23. Number 23 says, 5 friends go bowling. 2 of them rent shoes at $3 per pair, and snacks cost $15. So then the total thing costs $66. Well, you gotta understand, the one thing I think is confusing is the snacks. That everybody paid $15 for snacks. Okay, so there's kind of different things that are taking place here. So there's the cost to bowl. Okay, there's the cost to bowl. That's one thing. There's the shoes. That's another thing they paid for, and then snacks. Okay, and then the total. So the total is $66. So I got to add what it costs to bowl plus the cost of shoes plus snacks. So I'm going to figure out what they are. So what does it cost to bowl? I don't know. I'm going to call that X. Okay. How much do they pay in shoes? Well, 2 of them rented shoes for $3. So that's 2 times 3. The snacks cost $15. Okay. So one thing I'm going to say about this is that keeping in mind that this X equals the cost of all them playing, right? So it's their total cost for all of them, that all of them paid combined. So they each pay, how many, there was 5 of them, they each going to, when I find X, that's how much all 5 of them paid. Okay, the cost of all of them playing. All right, so this is going to be something like, kind of setting this up, it should be X plus the cost of the shoes plus the cost of the snacks equals 66. Okay, and then this is going to be X plus 6 plus 15 equals 66. X plus 21 equals 66. All right, now I'll go ahead and subtract 21 to both sides. and X equals 45. Okay, so they paid $45 to actually bowl. Okay, there was 5 of them, so if I wanted, they're individually, they each paid 9. You know, I could do 45 divided by 5. Okay, and that'd be $9 each. Okay, but I just figured out what the total cost was. All right, number 24. Number 24 says you are purchasing tickets to an amusement park for 15 people. At the park, 3 tickets cost $100. Online, 5 tickets cost $125. Find the cost of 1 ticket in each scenario, which is a better deal. So they basically want a unit rate. Okay, so let's go ahead and write the 2 scenarios. So for $100, you can get 3 tickets. Okay, 3 tickets, $100, right? For $125, you can get 5 tickets. Okay? So if I divide this out, this is going to be $33.33, okay, for 1 ticket. That's like a unit rate for 1 ticket, right? Over here, the top would turn out to be $25 for 1 ticket. Okay, so you can see this is a better rate right here to do the online purchase. And remember, unit rate is when this basically this denominator is a 1. Okay, or you have it in terms of 1 ticket. That's why I say unit rate. 25. $12 pencils cost $2.49. How much will 2 pencils or 20 pencils cost? So I'm going to set up my proportion here. So $2.49 for 12 pencils. Okay. So I got to line it up. So I'm going to put the number of pencils here. I don't know the cost. That's the question. And here I'm going to cross multiply. Okay. Right. I'm going to cross multiply these out here. Okay.